Okay, so the next exercise is on a manifold. So I will show you the final output. So this is the second part. So, so you can see here, these are the features that we need to apply to get this kind of a part. So if I roll back, so you can see we started from this one, and then we go to this side, this side. So likewise, we are applying different applications. Then finally, fillets. Okay. So these are the things that uh, we have to do in order to get this part. So we will start a new one. Okay. File, new part. Uh, this is in millimeter dimensions, so no need to change the so if your unit system is IPS, change to millimeters grams second mmgs unit system. So first part is you have to create the right plane, add a new sketch, and then you have to add two circles like this, and the final output is like this. Okay, so you have to focus on these key 60, 45, and 300, and especially end condition is mid plane. So you can go there. I think it is right plane. Select right plane. Select sketch. So draw two circles. One and another one. Smart dimension. So one is 60 millimeters, and other one is 45 millimeters. And then go to the features, extrude boss. The end condition is mid plane, and we have to add 300 dimensions and click OK. So this is the first part. So after creating the first part, so the next part is to create this one. Okay. So what you have to do is, so you have to select this right end and do this kind of sketch. Okay. So you have to draw a circle 75 and extrude it to 50 millimeters. Okay. And also we need to add this circle. So from the previous sketch. So select this one, go to sketch, then go to this convert entities, select this circle, and now if you can click, click the green check boxes, and also when I select it, so you can see it is, if you right click now, so you will have this part. Then draw another circle, uh, then dimension it to 75 millimeters, and go to features, extrude boss. So here it is not mid plane, blind. So you have to reverse the direction by clicking here and set this to 50. If you do that, so you will get the next component. Okay. Then we have to copy this part to this side. So for that we are using mirror command. Okay, so we are using a mirror command. So we will apply that and see. So you can see it is this whole model is symmetrical around right plane. So what you can do is you can select this mirror tool. Okay, so select mirror tool, go to here, right plane, select right plane as the mirror face. Okay, so I will do that again. So go to mirror, then go. So when you click here, so you can see this is also being displayed. Otherwise, if you don't see that, so you can click here. So select this right plane, okay, and then select these features to mirror. Under features to mirror, select this boss extrude 2 and click OK. So you will get the same way. So the next part is we have to add a reference plane, reference geometry, a reference plane for our case. The first one is so you have to click on this reference geometry, and we are giving a value of 42.5 above the top plane and click OK. Okay, so we will do that. So reference geometries, you can create necessary axes and those things. So this is used for to create sketches, and this defined sketch this defined planes is used to draw sketches. After drawing these sketches, you can apply 3D features. So go to plane, select top plane here, and from here, so they have specified 42.5 millimeters from the above, and click OK. So now if I select this, so I am drawing from here. So for to get an idea, so I will go normal to this front plane. So now if you draw a sketch uh, on this plane, so it is situated 42.5 millimeters above here. So that means we are drawing the sketch here, and from here to here we can extrude. Okay, so you can select the plane and click sketch here. You can see now we are in this mode. So to create that, so we need to add this relation. Okay, uh, so we can draw a circle, normal circle, and select the center of the circle, and while holding control, select this origin and make them horizontal. And then after that, so you have to add dimensions, so smart dimension. So here, this is 35 diameter, and from here to here, 75. And then go to features, extrude boss. So go to this isometric view, so it will be easy for us to make necessary uh, things. So what we have to do is, so we have to create this one. For that, what we have to do is select this up to surface, okay, in the first direction. So if I select this, so go to this up to surface and select this cylindrical surface. So if I do that, so it will be extruded to this part. Then click OK. So now you can see the part. Again, you can select this cylindrical face and make a sketch. Then what? So we have to have a diameter of 17.5. Uh, Go here, draw a concentric circle. So if I move the cursor to this circle, so it will automatically select the center and click on this dimension tool. Click 17.5. Okay, and then go to features, extrude cut command, and then up to surface. We have selected up to surface. Can select up to next. If I do that, so it will create to this surface. It is not our intention. So select up to surface and again select this inside diameter and click OK. Okay. So you can see the part. Another thing is that so we are making manifolds. If you want to look inside of the cross section, so you can use this sectional view. So if you select the sectional view, so you can select plane and click OK. So you can see how, so inside our manifold, so this is our cross section. You can again check this one and do the necessary parts. And then the next thing we have to do is we have to have a linear uh, pattern. Okay. Uh, so for that we need to create a axis. Okay. So along the axis. So I will do that. Otherwise, so there is another easy method that you can do. So I will show you that first, and then I will define an axis again, and then we can go to the linear pattern. Okay. To create a linear pattern, uh, so to create the linear pattern, select. So first we have to create the axis. Otherwise, you can use this temporary axis. So view temporary axis. So if you select that, so it will give you these. If you have a cylindrical surface, so it will automatically show you the axis. So for practice, so we will define an axis as well. So you can uncheck that, this view temporary axis. So you can go to reference geometry, select the axis, and now you can select this cylindrical face. Okay. So if I select the cylindrical face, if I select this cylinder, so automatically axis will be created. Okay. So this is axis 1. So then go to this linear pattern. Okay. Under the direction, select this axis. Okay. So the spacing is 50 millimeters. Okay. Say, and copies, we need to have 4 copies. So 50 millimeters, 4 copies. Then under the features, so under the features, so we can have extrude 1 and cut extrude. So you can select this boss extrude 3. and cut extrude. So the direction you can change by using this one. Okay. And click OK. Okay. So we don't need these geometry. So you can unview them. So you can hide them. And if necessary, so you can view as necessary parts. Okay. Uh, uh, so the next part is the other one. So we have create the 4 copies, and then again we need to have this mirror tool. So we use mirror tools to copy the other parts. Uh, okay, so we will mirror that part as well. Okay. So we use this mirror tool. So under the face, you select this top plane. Okay. And the features to mirror, so you can select this boss extrude 3 and cut extrude 3. So you can select OK. Again, you can select this mirror to mirror the other component. So use mirror. So because this is in right plane, so select the feature. So it automatically select the mirror tool. Okay. Uh, mirror tool. So you can select OK here. So now we have created all the components. So then we have to add the necessary fillets. Okay. So we need to add the fillet 6 millimeters. Uh, just where port meets the manifold, it is 6 millimeters and 4 millimeters for the sharper edges, the two colors. Okay. So we will do that. Go to this fillet and select these components. So you can select this edge. So when you move your cursor, you can see. So this edge is selected. So select this one and select this one. Here the value is 6 millimeters and click OK. Okay. So we have created a fillet. So then again click fillets. Again select these sharp edges. So that should be 4 millimeters. Change the values 4 millimeters here and select these sharp edges. So select this edge, this edge, this edge, and this edge. So when you add those edges, so you can have a fill. Okay, so you can see this is our completed part. Okay, okay, so we will move to the next session.